Hello boomers, back at the old family farm again. Gonna do some trimming and stuff, waiting for the guy from the municipality to come over. He's not from the municipality, he's hired in, blah blah blah, etc etc. So I'll be trimming the edges of the lawn. Mainly, probably start after to move some old grass. Because I had a bad back, I had to hire someone to do some work here, and he left the grass in a not optimal place. So I'm gonna have to move that, and then I'm gonna maybe start fixing on the old side of the old house. But we'll see. Enjoy! Okay boomers, enough trimming for today. My back is killing me, so I'll be trying to move this grass here. This grass here with the lawnmower. All I'll do is try to drive over it bit by bit so it doesn't clog up the system. See if that helps. Yeah, that's my fault. There's the guy I hired to do the cutting earlier this summer. I didn't know where to put it, so he just put it where he figured probably the best place to put it. Anyway, see if I can fix it with the lawnmower. If not, I'm gonna have to do it by hand. I don't want to do it by hand. Okay boomers, as you saw, that was a bit of hail, so I'm gonna have to do it by hand, carry that stuff away, and then I can get to the back of the house and clean it up. So that's for another video, I guess. And so, boomers keep booming, boomers unite.